Hey Flow fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this really cute candy corn poppet. This is how it looks. And it's so satisfying and really easy to make. Before we get started, thank you guys so much for 103,000 subscribers. And we got verified, which is super exciting. I now have a check mark beside my name. And let's just get started with this candy corn poppet tutorial. The materials you'll be needing is paper, a pencil, some markers, paperboard or cardboard, scissors, and tape. Okay guys, so I want to start off by drawing my design, and I think I'm going to make a candy corn poppet first, and I don't want it to be that big or too small, so I'm going to do it like medium sized. And now I'm just going to draw 3 lines on the candy corn to just do a little guideline on where we're going to color. And now I'm just sketching out the hole in the center, which is going to be the popping part of the fidget. Now I'm going to take this black marker and outline all of the lines. Then I take my eraser and start erasing all of the pencil marks. Now I'm going to take my markers and start coloring the drawing. Okay guys, so now that it's all colored, we're going to take our tape and laminate it. And then just take your scissors and cut it out. Okay guys, now that we have our candy corn all cut out, we're going to cut the middle part out as well. So this is how the front of your candy corn poppet should look, just a piece of paper like this colored in the front and a hole in the center. So now it's time to make the back. So all we have to do is flip it over and put it against a sheet of paper and trace out the shape. Now that that's done, we can turn this piece back around and repeat the same steps. We're going to draw out the lines on the candy corn, outline it with black, color it in, tape it, and cut it out. Okay guys, so now that we have 2 identical candy corn shapes, we're gonna just pick any one, it doesn't really matter, and we're going to place it on the paperboard. And now I'm just tracing out the shape twice, and don't forget to do the circle in the middle. And then I'm going to do it one more time to the side. Then we take our scissors again and cut them out. Okay guys, now that we have these 2 triangles, we're going to cut out the center. This part is going to be a little difficult, but I'm going to show you guys a trick on how to make it easier. So all you have to do is put your scissors like this and start cutting it out. and just puncturing a hole in the middle. And then just cut slits in the middle of the circle. First a straight line, and then go up to make a cross. And now just cut out the little shapes. And as you can see, we have our hole all cut out. Then repeat the same step on the other triangle. I forgot to mention this, but we're also going to need a glue stick. So we're just going to take our glue stick and place some glue on top of one of the triangles. And now we're just going to place the other piece of cardboard right on top. Okay guys, now that we're done with that, we're going to set it to the side and bring back our 2 candy corn pieces we drew from earlier. And now what we're going to do is take our glue stick again and place some glue on top of the candy corn. And then place the drawing on top. Now we're going to flip it over and add some more glue. Now we're going to take the other piece and glue it on. And if there's any cardboard hanging over, you can just take your scissors and just cut it out. Okay guys, so once our base looks a little something like this, we're going to now make the popping part in the middle. So all we have to do is take another piece of paper and our pop-it, and we're just going to sketch the circle in the middle. And I'm going to turn it around and kind of see the outline on the other side. And now I'm just going to take any color I want and color the circle. And now I'm just going to color the other side. Now I'm taking my tape again and laminating both sides. Once the circle is cut out, we're going to cut a little slit in the circle going to the middle. And we're just going to make a little cone and take a little piece of tape and close it shut. And now I'm going to turn the cone inside out like this and tape this edge. Then place a bunch of little pieces of tape around the cone. And then stick it on to the candy corn. And here is the final product, guys. It turned out so cute, and look at the pop. Ready? You could turn it around. This was such a fun craft to make, and I really enjoyed doing it. It's so festive for the fall season, and I love it so much, guys. It's so satisfying. So this is the other poppet that I showed you guys how to make on the other poppet video tutorial. And I also have this avocado one that I made. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications to get notified every time I post a brand new video. And comment down below if you tried to make this candy corn poppet and how it turned out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!